Rocking our, we get to still, we didn't get you a birthday hat.
That's cool. I got a drink.
Huge mistake with Hugh Groman. Thank you. Oh, you're going to drink instead.
I'm going to drink.
No birthday hat needed for the guy that's pouring drinks. He is one of our hospitality experts. Thanks for joining us, Hugh, being here this morning on Big Al's birthday.
Happy birthday.
You just poured him a deep one, I see.
Well, I'm going to make you a special cocktail.
Okay.
This is great for the holidays and for birthdays.
Perfect.
And it's a Bourbon Maple Smash. My associate Anne came up with this recipe. It's delicious.
All right.
So we've got bourbon, we've got maple syrup.
Just regular, like syrup?
Good.
Like
maple syrup,
maple
so
syrup,
not
like the
pancake syrup,
sure.
not Aunt Jemima.
Sure.
That would probably be good too.
Might be.
And then we've got lemon juice and orange juice, fresh squeeze.
Okay.
And then just about 8 hits of bitters. There you go.
Okay.
And then this is delicious. And then you just do me a favor. You stir this up.
Okay.
Right here.
Stir. It's his birthday.
And then
we don't want to have him do a lot.
Put ice here. High level of difficulty.
Okay. Stirring this.
And then we just serve it on ice with a wedge of orange or lemon. I've got lemon today.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
This thing is now the kind of bourbon you chose is what?
I've got Bullet, but you know, Bullet's kind of hip and happening, but anything you like.
Okay.
Okay, pour us like half full.
Pour him half. Except Al gets a full one.
Sure.
This is his birthday.
I get the feeling.
Okay. For you.
Your show's gonna turn up.
For your birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, now let's taste these, and then I'm going to show you the rest here.
Okay, cheers. Happy birthday, cheers.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, delicious. So I'm going to come right in here.
Oh, so good.
So
It's very sweet.
Wow, that's good. But the
Isn't
maple.
that good?
Ooh,
Yeah, well,
the
you need a little
maple.
sweetness
Yes.
generally.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to show you guys how to make this edamame puree, which is a great dip, and it's kind of an interesting mix of cultures. It's kind of Japanese, it's kind of Middle Eastern, it's kind of Italian.
Okay, a little bit
And,
of everything.
It's a little bit of everything.
All right.
So I'm just going to do the only thing that's really the cooking part here, which is I'm just going to do, it's called nutted garlic, and it just means that we're cooking the garlic until it just gets a little bit of color in it.
Yep, a little
and
brown.
that is a, it kind of makes it a really nice flavor.
Yeah. Okay.
So this will just take a second. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to make these little toasts that we're serving it with. You can serve this dip with anything.
Yeah.
You can serve it with like a piece of grilled salmon as like a side dish almost, like a
I like
starch.
that. I
You
like
can
that.
serve it with vegetables. I'm serving it with these little, thank you for helping me with that. I'm
bet.
serving it with this little baguette toast as a dip, but you can also be a little more fancy.
And so
And
we got
take one of
about a
these.
minute left. So
Oh, do we? Okay, great. So I'm just going to show you how to make it. So you just can put a little bit of the dip on the toast, and you can put a little Parmesan,
A little parm shaving.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
And this pairs well with this fancy drink you made us?
Yeah,
Is that
so
what
I'm
you're
just going to
saying?
show you real quick how to make it.
Okay.
Take about 30 seconds. I've got the garlic.
All right.
I've got the bourbon.
Here we go. And then it's just edamame,
Yeah.
lemon juice,
Lemon juice.
salt, pepper, olive
Squeeze it on
oil,
in.
Man,
and a little bit of lemon zest.
sure.
This is not your first
Red
rodeo.
pepper
You know how to make
flakes.
this
Hugh
thing.
knows what he's doing.
I know what
yeah.
I'm doing here. Boom. Salt, pepper,
boom.
and here's the lemon zest. And then you just puree it.
Drop that on.
Puree it.
Bang.
Boom.
Boom.
And
look
you got
at
this. So why don't we taste? Here,
taste.
Here, have this one since it's your birthday.
That's his
All right.
birthday.
And I'm gonna
That's
make
his
you one
birthday.
too. Woo!
Hugh, you are rocking and rolling here. We're going to taste this out, but we need to look out where we can find our man Hugh for some delicious hospitality advice.
Hugh Groman
food.
Group on Instagram.
There it is right there, HughGromanGroup.com. You can call him up with the phone number there. Facebook, Instagram, he's a great follow. Make sure to hit him, Hugh Groman Group online. Thanks, man.
Thanks,
I can't wait.
guys.
That is so good.
Thanks,
so
guys.
good.
We gotta
Very good.
drink.
Hey,
Quick.
coming up, we got some